Today, we're exploring the new advanced CTR function. This module helps increase your competitors' bounce rates while lowering yours, boosting your site's reputation. It clicks on competitors' links briefly, then returns to search results, eventually finding and spending more time on your site, interacting with multiple links. This signals to Google that users find valuable content on your site and prefer it over others. If you have a license, you'll gain access to our update folder. First, download the advanced CTR module. Once the zip file is on your desktop, simply extract it. Next, open the extracted folder. You'll notice similar folders to your software files. Simply replace or add any files from the extracted folder into your software files folder for the following three folders: automations, modules, and settings. Great! Now that all files are in their corresponding folders, the next critical step is to create a new campaign. Select campaign_setup and name this campaign Titanic to test the keyword Titanic. Now, it will ask for the minimum and maximum duration to spend on your site. Enter between 10 to 15 seconds. Next, specify the minimum number of links to visit within your site. You can enter as many as you wish, but I'll enter between 2 and 3. Here's a critical step. Enter Y for yes to enable the CTR to click on competitors. To assign specific competitors, select N for random competitor clicking. In the section for how long to stay on the competitor's site, you can increase their bounce rate. I suggest entering between 2 and 10 seconds. Then specify how many competitor links you want to click. Let's select 3. It will also ask for the maximum number of search pages to visit to find your target URL, your website. Enter 25 just in case. Lastly, if you own a license for this software, you will know your browser group ID. Make sure to enter it here or in the settings folder, and then click Enter to create campaign. Next, we'll set the variables for the CTR. Open your normal browser, go to Google, and search for your campaign keyword, in this case, Titanic. Then, add the keyword Titanic to the targetkeywords.txt file. You can include as many keywords as you wish. Each browser will search for a random keyword from this list. In the targetcompetitors.txt file, list the competitors for which you want to increase their bounce rate. This gives Google the impression that users didn't find the right answer on their sites. For now, select any competitors, and you can also include competitors from different Google search pages. Finally, set the target URL to your desired URL that you want the CTR to focus on. This gives Google the impression that users have found the desired link on your site, where they will spend time surfing and clicking on different links. We can now close our normal browser and run the campaign with our new advanced CTR module. For that, go to the Executor. Next, select our new module from option 1. Then, choose the number of browser instances to run simultaneously. You can open as many instances as your device allows, up to 400 browser instances on a normal 64 GB RAM PC. For now, enter 1. Finally, select the campaign you want to run the module with, in this case, the Titanic campaign. The first thing you'll see is a window for IFI to verify the authenticity of the browser and the mobile IP proxy in use. In this case, our browser and instance were deemed trustworthy, indicating that we have passed all necessary human verification tests. You will then observe the software operating independently, searching for and clicking on competitors, and continuing the search until it finds our target URL. We will set the list of competitor links on the right side to track which ones are clicked and which ones are not. Remember, if it lands on the search page where your target URL is, it will click all competitors and then stop to click on your target URL. This signals to Google the end of our search, bringing some CTR power to your site and boosting its position in Google search. As you can see, after some time on the third page of Google, it found our key target URL. Now, it will start surfing our site and clicking on menu items and hyperlinks within our site only. This gives the impression of a user who not only found their result, but also stayed to explore more. Once the browser completes its search and surfing, it will simply end the session and automatically proceed to the next one. That's all for now. Stay tuned as we will be releasing more amazing modules for all types of CTR manipulation.